Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have some things to show you today and I hope it's right. Anyhow, if you're new here, thank you for stopping in to watch a video. I hope you come back and watch more videos, find things that you'll enjoy on my channel. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Thank you. You're back. Hi, we're here. Let's do this. All right, so one of the companies I used to work with was Diamond Art Gift. And I hadn't heard from them in a while. So I reached out again, emailed, and they said, so here's what we can do. If you place an order, then we will send you free gifts. And I was like, okay, well, okay. So I picked out a couple things. I didn't spend a lot of money. I spent like 20 bucks. And when I got that order, I was like, there's no free gifts in here. I reached back out and I said, I got my order, but I didn't get the free gifts. They were like, they shipped separately. Let us look into it. They looked into it and said, yeah, the package seems to have like gone missing. I don't know what happened. Well, the other day I got this package and I'm like, I did not order that package. I don't know what's in that package. My guess is it's the free gift. All right. So if it's not, and at some point later in time, I find out that this was something else, I mean, I guess we'll let you know, but I think it's the free gifts. Anyhow, let me show you what I purchased first of all. All right. Because this is what I purchased. So I purchased this cute little special drill diamond painting, right? With the truck, the snowman, everything's blue. I love the blue. I love the blue. I think it was so cool. Little 30 by 30 little special drill. I think it is super cute. I would like to do some of these in December. I don't know if I want to do big painting in December. I think I just want to do small stuff. I've been saying that about the last couple months. Like November and December might be just for smaller things. We'll see. Anyhow, it's super cute. It only has 7 different drills. Let's see what they are. I know the headlights are a special drill. They're like a little teardrop. Look at those little headlights. Woo. Super cute. I wonder who's driving that truck. You know, they're probably out to pick their Christmas tree. Maybe they stopped and built the snowman, cut down a Christmas tree. Who knows? It's pretty though. So we have clear crystals, some really pretty blue, some green, some yellow. That's it for the rhinestones, the crystal stuff, you guys. So then we have blue, pearl, green faceted. They're iridescent as well. Oh, and there's that blue. So it's going to be for more than the headlights. More than the headlights are going to get that drill. Oh yeah, there's some down here. There's some over here. Well, that'll be cute. I like it. I like it. All right. So there's that one. What else did I buy? I'll show you. Comes in a box. You know, it comes in a box. Love the foam. They're still putting the foam in there to protect these acrylic pieces, which I appreciate. I forgot. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. It's so cute. Hang on. There's our drills and whatnot. Okay, you ready? I'll show you the back side first. Look at the back side of it. There's that back. It's a snowman with a kitty. Oh, my goodness. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. Look at it. I love it. I love this. That is adorable. That nose looks like it's crocheted. Just saying. Isn't it cute? It is so cute. The stand is in here with the drills and the tools. So let's get those out. See, there's a little toolkit. Here's the stand. Everything has a film on it. Take the film off, all of this, right? That back will be so pretty and shiny when you take the film off. I love they're like double-sided, but you don't have to put drills on the back side. You know what I'm saying? I love that they do that. All right, here we go. What do we have? Not very many drills. It's kind of like the other painting. You notice everything's blue today. So we have clear rhinestones. There's one blue. That's a purple. That's kind of like a brownish color. That's it for the rhinestones, folks. That's it. All right, then we have clear iridescent faceted marquise. They're very pretty. White pearls and little blue pearls. All right. I like this one too. I like it. Okay. So there's the two things I purchased, right? I spent less than $20. All right. Okay. Now, let's get into this bag. I've opened it, clearly, and I found that and that. Okay. So, this is very interesting. It's folded. See, and when I look at the picture, I'm like, yeah, I did not order that from anybody. I did not order that. Okay. Not that I don't like it. It's pretty. It's got all these colors and whatnot, but that's nothing I ordered. So this has got to be like their free gift. So let's see what we get. I don't think I have ordered. I mean, I've ordered some regular drill paintings from companies for sure. I don't do it very often anymore. Once in a while, something catches my eye. All right, so we got this nice big crease in the middle from it being folded. I don't know how that's gonna, come out. I don't know. Gonna require ironing probably. I don't know. Anyhow, it's a 40 by 40. We have a legend on both sides with a picture. All right. Yeah, I don't appreciate the fold for sure. It's definitely got to relax. Probably going to need a little. This is a very shiny kind of background for this, or backing. It's very interesting. We would have to see how that would, flatten out. I mean, the creases, I would already iron it just because of the creases. So it's not really that big a deal. It's just like, I don't understand why they fold them like that. But anyhow, it's just like a little multicolored rainbow little teddy bear. And he's got like a little soccer ball or something down here he's holding. Looks like he's got like a mushroom head. I think he looks like he's got a mushroom on top of his head and a little soccer ball. I mean, he's cute. All right. Here's the toolkit. All right. So the toolkit's kind of nice. This reminds me of probably something that came from like AliExpress, one of the stores on AliExpress, I don't know. One of those manufacturers. We got multi-placers. So it's an upgraded toolkit. And then look at how the drills come. See, this is taking me back to the day when, it's round drills. Okay, I didn't even know that until I looked at these. Round drills. Oh, we got some special drills in the back. So let's see if we can find what the special drills are. I mean, we're going to have all these colors. It has 40 colors. It's a 40 by 40 with 40 colors. There you go. What do you think about that? 40 by 40 with 40 colors. Perfect. All right. I'm not going to dig too deep. Oh, I got to flip this again. They're all like backwards this way. Okay. So let's pull out what I can find. I find those. And I find those. I don't know if they have do they mark them on the canvas? No, they're not marked. So this is, let's see. This is number 6. Yep, 413. No, it's not marked as an A, B, or anything. These two bags, are they the same? No, they're different. They're $9.39 and $8.23. Okay. All right. But, okay, this looks like this is a fairy dust. Is this? Okay, that is. This is. I wish they were marked on the canvas. You know what I'm saying? I thought at first that one looked like fairy dust, but it's not. How about you? I mean, I'd have to take these all out. I think they're mostly on the top, but I'm not going to dig too deep. I think that's it, unless there's something really buried inside here, which I'm not seeing anything. But we have, no, this is an AB. Nope, they're ABs. They're not fairy dust. Okay. There's an orange, like a burnt orange. and 666 red. Okay, so these are our ABs. There's 5 of them. They're not marked on the canvas that they're ABs, but here they are. 2 really dark blues, a red, an orange, and a gray, which looks very greenish. Anyhow, I'm not going to look for these on this canvas. I'm not going to, but you know, maybe one. I mean, you can already figure out where these are going to be. These dark ones are going to be in the background, right? You know that. The red, I'm guessing the red will be through here somewhere. It is a, what is that? A Q? Is it a Q? I think it's a Q. It's a Q. Yep, it's all of this right through here, and here, and here, and here, and here. All right, so there you go. There you go. One of my free gifts. What do you think? What do you think? I mean, we know what we think about the fold, the crease. Not a fan. Cute little picture. Got some ABs. All right. All right. Next item that came appears to be a notebook. I think it's Christmassy. I can't tell what the picture is yet, but we'll find out in a second here. I think it's an owl. Hang on. I thought at first it was just like gifts. I could see gifts at the bottom. Oh, that's kind of cute. All right. Yeah, I could see the package, and I thought maybe it's just a stack of packages, but that's cute. That is cute. I like that. The owl sitting on top with the Santa hat. Love it. It's the just plain pages. They call these a sketchbook versus like a notebook. That's cute. All right. Let's see what the drills are. I'm going to put that in my maybe to-do pile. I like that. My to-do pile. Oh, that's funny. Anyhow. Clear, green, and red. That's a gold. That's like a light tannish brown. I don't know what that is. Grayish, maybe. And a darker gray. Some black. Champagne color. Oh, then we have these little gold guys. They're gold on the top, but they're crystal on the bottom, which I never understand. Why are they crystal on the bottom when you just put that on the painting and you never see the crystal part? I don't understand that. Iridescent little marquees, some reds, and a few big white pearls. All right. Yeah, so that's the free gift, you guys. Has to be the free gift. Anyhow, that's what I got. All from, who did I say it was from? Diamond Art Gift. Is that who you were from? Diamond Art Gift. Yep, Diamond Art Gift. All right. Okay, folks. There you have it. The freebies. I like the notebook a lot. And the things that I bought. All right. Comments, thoughts, share below. Okay. And please, while you're there, sharing your thoughts and your comments, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here. Consider super thanks or maybe even memberships. All those things that YouTube has to offer to support a channel, a creator like myself. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.